Yeah, unless you're playing, maybe overnight, say by 4 a.m. I just don't think that it depends on when you play. Let's show you that hour by hour forecast.
It's not a 4 a.m. first pitch, I can tell you that much.
If you're playing earlier in the day. Yeah, probably not going to get it in. All right, take a look at this. You can see we have got Hurricane Delta, unfortunately, at a Category 1. I should say fortunately because it came down from a Category 3 earlier, but it is spreading inland with some tremendous winds and heavy rain right now over Alexandria. You can see it going farther north toward Shreveport, and we've got some wind gusts out there right now in the 85-mile-an-hour range. You can see Lafayette to Houma at 43-mile-an-hour gusts as well. And what we know so far is that it made landfall earlier this evening, a little bit after 6 their time, a little after 7 our time near Creole, Louisiana. It was a Category 2, now sustained winds down, but 100-mile-an-hour gusts in the wildlife refuge area, which covers parts of Texas and also western Louisiana. And so 100-mile-an-hour gusts there. We also are seeing dangerous storm surge. Flooding is continuing, and just some of the other highest wind gusts at some other stations reported across Louisiana. You can see 81 miles an hour in Jennings, and those buoys just offshore had started to pick up those upper 70s before it moved in. Now the showers are spreading our way. Take a look at this. We've got a nice band of showers that are lifting through, and they're going to be getting heavier over the next couple of days. Now the tropical tracks, the model possibilities, these spaghetti models, if you will, are a little bit farther to the east now, and the Hurricane Center does believe that we will see all of that rain move our way. This is a tighter view of where it made landfall between Holly Beach and the Creole area as we went toward North Island along the coast there. Right now, temperatures are in the 80s. It's a very warm air mass, remember, when we get these tropical systems coming inland. We think that tomorrow we're going to be able to get into the low 70s with a southwest wind, so we'll tap into some milder air, but 60s for you now. We've got showers already, that's right, in southern Davidson County. We've got some patchy showers that have been trying to build over the Blue Ridge Parkway. And so these rounds of showers are going to start to build, and as we go through Saturday, off and on. So occasional light rain Saturday. They could be heavier at times by the evening and certainly steadier by Sunday. You're seeing that hour by hour forecast. It looks, a little bit of spotty action as we go through early tomorrow morning. Then we pick up the heavier rains from time to time by noontime to 2 o'clock. And again, these waves of rain could really create some soggy conditions on the grounds and certainly put a damper on maybe some of those baseball games that you were hoping to play, or softball games too. So looking at temperatures in the 60s by early Sunday morning, this is when some of the heavier storms could come in. And I say storms because now we do have a slight risk area for the southern Piedmont with the rounds of showers that move in. There's going to be a warm front that lifts in, and a possibility that we get a little bit of that not only tropical like moisture, even if it's remnants at that point, we're going to have some warm, juicy air to work with. And so your hour by hour forecast on our HRRR showing even a soggier report for Saturday right now, and those heavier rounds kind of moving in off and on. Now, I don't think it's going to be a complete washout Saturday. I do think Sunday's a rainier day, but I can't guarantee that the fields are going to be dry enough for my kids to even play soccer in the morning. So we'll be watching for that. We do have a risk of severe weather continuing throughout the afternoon hours. And then those rainfall totals really pumping up. So we could be looking at some high 3, if not isolated 4 inches in the western foothills and the Blue Ridge Parkway for the weekend, mainly Sunday into early Monday morning for all of those heavy rainfall totals. Gusts to 20 miles an hour, also a possibility. Right now you're in the 60s, and you made it today into the upper 60s with temperatures tomorrow expected in the low 70s. So very similar forecast to what we've been dealing with the last couple of days. Lots of clouds, and unfortunately now we add in the rain, and so it will not be a sunny picture for you. Low 60s tomorrow in the mountains, and the 7-day forecast, a much sunnier version as we get you into late Monday, and by Tuesday, sunny and warmer in the upper 70s. Looking good.